video, and today I'm going to show you how to make a moving game with the keys. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I am going to pick Giga Walking, and you can choose whatever backdrop you want, but I'm going to choose Blue Sky like always. And now what I'm going to do, just like usual, I am going to get when the flag is clicked, and then I'm going to go to Control and a forever. So when you do this, it will keep doing it over and over again. And then I'm going to duplicate two ifs. So if you have a mouse, right click. If you have a touchpad, press with two fingers. So I'm with a mouse, so I'm going to right click and duplicate. And then if you go back to this and then duplicate, you'll get two. So now we have four, okay? And I am going to get these key pressed ones. So I'm going to keep duplicating these to make each of them into each of the spaces. So now I want to do right arrow and left arrow. You can do other ones, but I don't want to. I just showed it to you just so you could know how to duplicate two and then two other ones to make four. So now I have this. When right arrow key pressed, I am going to go to motion maybe. I am going to do change X by 1. Change X by 10, but I'm going to try, actually yeah, 10. And then this, and then the other one is going to be, and then the other one is going to be minus 10. So now let's try it. And then I am going to get a looks and next costume and duplicate that. Duplicate, and I'm going to put that just before. Okay, just like that. And then when I press the flag, it looks like Giga's walking. Look at that. Look at that. You can add different keys, but this actually looks quite good, to be honest. He's moving around the screen. It actually works. Make sure you have this exact type of scratch or the exact type of code, so then you can actually make it work. So if you don't have a computer, I'm sorry, you won't be able to do this, but if you do, that's excellent, it will work. Or if you do have an iPad or a phone, anything like that, you can add different sprites for arrows, so when that arrow is clicked, it will move. So you could do this, but if we could actually do on each of the arrow key sprites, we could do when the sprite is clicked, forever, next costume, change X by 10 or minus 10, for the left arrow, when this sprite is clicked, next costume change X by -10. It can't be 10, it has to be -10. So then it would go minus and that would go plus. Minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, la 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 la. And if you do them together, you see, look at his legs. Look at his little legs. Look at him. Look at them. Ooh. And look at those little legs. Or, in the beginning, we could do when flag is clicked, go to motion and go to this area. So now you see it's moving around, and then I suddenly stop and flag. You see, it goes back to there. I hope you like this video. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. And I'll see you next time. Bye!